because I'm checking out this interview, and this guy from the NBL. Looks like I will be missing out on Carl Tamayo's team bus exit. But it's okay because I'll be going to Changwon for Game 3. Induction, Cheong-in-dok. Cheong-in-dok. Induction. Next 2 games. Juan Gomez de Liano, very good today. He was given plenty of playing time. These are the fans. That's the Jamshil Lotte Tower in the background. Okay, good. Cheong induction. Bigisag. What's up? Ang galing talaga. Congrats ulit. See you sa Changwon.